Hello, so today we will study the link between extraversion and the brain. It is based on the CB5T, the cybernetic Big Five theory. The CB5T posits that sensitivity to reward is the core function involved in extraversion, which enables one to be energized by goals. CB5T is based on the fact that sensitivity to incentive reward is mediated by the dopaminergic system and is the primary driver of extraversion. This is based in turn on Gray's reinforcement sensitivity theory, which posited a behavioral approach system BAS that mediates the relation between sensitivity to incentive reward and ensuing approach behavior. The questionnaire most commonly used to measure BAS sensitivity shows convergence variance with extraversion. The association of variation in dopaminergic function with extraversion is one of the best established findings in personality neuroscience. A number of empirical studies have demonstrated that extraversion moderates the effects of pharmacological manipulation of the dopaminergic system. A recent study showed that high extraversion was associated with greater sensitivity to the reward effects of dopamine. To understand the meaning of this association, it is important to understand the difference between incentive and consummatory reward. An incentive reward is a cue that one is moving toward a goal, whereas consummatory reward is the actual attainment of a goal. Dopamine is responsible for the drive to attain rewards in response to incentive cues, but not for the hedonic enjoyment of reward. This distinction is described in terms of wanting versus liking. Whereas the dopaminergic system is responsible for wanting, the opiate system is responsible for liking, and the association of extraversion with dopamine reflects only that extraversion is likened to desire for reward, not enjoyment of it. But research shows that extraversion evolves not only increased wanting, but also increased liking of reward. Positive emotions is a facet of extraversion describing energized positive emotions such as excitement, enthusiasm, and elation that have a hedonic component, and research indicates that extraversion predicts the amount of the positive emotions that people experience in response to incentive reward stimuli. This suggests extraversion may be related to opiate function as well as to dopamine. CB5T posits that the two aspects of extraversion, assertiveness and enthusiasm, reflects the difference between wanting and liking, with assertiveness reflecting wanting rather than liking, and enthusiasm reflecting primarily liking and only secondarily wanting. Enthusiasm appears to reflect liking in an incentive context, with opiate release providing the positive hedonic feelings that accompany dopaminergic activity. Research on dopamine is consistent with this hypothesis, as measures of assertivity appear to be more strongly related to dopaminergic variables than to measures of enthusiasm. Whereas association encompasses traits whereas assertiveness encompasses traits such as drive, leadership, initiative, and activity, enthusiasm encompasses both sociability or gregariousness and positive emotionality. In sum, existing research strongly supports the idea that dopamine is an important substrate of extraversion, especially assertiveness, and shows some preliminary support for the idea that the opiate system is also important for extraversion, particularly enthusiasm.